What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is Wyze's newest product. That's right, they have another new product. They are spitting these things out like crazy. This is their floor lamp, and it's gonna go for $29.95 plus shipping. It's gonna be available towards the end of May. Let's take a closer look. So the Wyze floor lamp comes in a few pieces. You get your light bulb at the top. You have this piece. You have the neck that goes all the way down, a gooseneck that you could call that, and then you get the base, a plug, and then you also get this Bluetooth remote. Now the lamp also works inside of the app, but in case you don't want to use the app or you just want quick access, you can use this remote. AAA battery goes inside here. There's a sync button on the side as well that allows you to sync this up with the lamp so that you can use it, and then you also have this button that you can press in to turn the lamp on and off. And also you can turn it to adjust how bright or light the light gets. One thing I wanted to mention about the remote is that it is magnetic actually, and you can stick it to the side here in case you're worried about losing it. Snaps right on. That's a great place to place it so you don't have to lose it. In case you don't have a place to put the remote, you can leave it connected right to the lamp itself. Now, since this is a gooseneck lamp, you can adjust this really any way that you want. You can have it point straight up, you can have it point down, and you control the narrative with it. Literally goes in any direction that you want. You can choose. You can point it at the wall if you want it to do some kind of uplighting. It's really, again, up to you how you want to control this. It's very, very functional. Putting the lamp together was super easy. Literally just screw these things in, connect it to the base, screw the light bulb in, and you're done. Let's talk some specs on this lamp. So you're gonna have 15 individual condenser lenses. Comes with a Bluetooth remote with 11 levels of brightness adjustment, a 23-degree precise directional lighting, high color rendering. It's about 6 feet tall, connects to the Wyze app. The bulb that it comes with is a Samsung LED light. The bulb that comes with this is rated for 25,000 hours. Okay, so the room is pretty dark at this point. I want to show you how bright the light gets and how much light it gives off for a large room. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So you get a good enough amount of light. Obviously, if you direct it towards a specific source, you're going to get even more direct light. And that's really what this is for. It's not really to light up a whole room. It's really to shine light on a desk, or a drawing of some sort. It's going to be that kind of lighting. Now here's a look at the floor lamp inside of the Wyze app. It might look a little bit different to you. When you get it, it might look the same. This is basically beta software, so keep that in mind. In the middle here, though, you do have this area where you can control the light, turn it on and off really easily. You can tap it, or you can direct it up and down to slide your finger to make it brighter or darker. You also have the service button at the bottom there. If you press that, this is going to allow you to set a schedule and learn smart dimming. So if certain times of the day, as time goes on, you can see towards the top here, maybe at 2 p.m. I like the light to be 80%. It'll automatically set it to that when I turn on the light at 2 p.m. it'll be 80%, or maybe at nighttime I want it to be 10%. So it learns your status with the smart dimming if you turn that on, which I do have it on right here. You can also look at your dimming data and reset it if need be. You can share your data. You can add schedules. So if you want the light to automatically turn on and off at specific times, you have that ability to turn it on and off at specific times. This is very, very handy. Hit the gear in the top right and go to settings. And we can come in here and we can change the name of the light if we want. You can do your smart dimming like I said earlier. You have schedules, which I showed you a second ago. You have remote, and you can update your remote if there's a software update. You can share your lamp with other people so they can control it in their Wyze app if need be. You can go into device info and go into firmware and update the firmware for your lamp if there's any updates. And that's pretty much it. Now for me, there's two things missing. I wish, one, that it had a smart assistant so that I could control it with my voice It doesn't, unfortunately. That's not the end of the world, but I still wish that it did. The other thing I do wish that it had was some kind of sensor in here so that it would automatically turn the light on when it noticed motion. I have a Panasonic light that has that built into it, and I love that, especially because it's in my kitchen. It automatically turns on my light for me automatically. Unfortunately, this doesn't have that. I wish it seems so easy to have, built a little tiny sensor in there that when it did notice motion, it would automatically turn on. It not having that's not, again, the end of the world. Maybe people don't want that. I would just personally want that. It's cool that it has the automation feature so that you can set up schedules and it can learn your lighting habits, the way you like the light to be used at 100%, 50%, 25% during certain times of the day. The light definitely gets bright enough for that directional lighting that you're in. It's not going to light a whole entire room, but it will give off enough light that when you do need it in a pinch to light up an area, it'll do a great job at it. The thing I did want to mention is that it also has an on-off switch here at the bottom of the lamp. The remote and the app, I see myself definitely using the app way more. I'm an app person. I can see me, looking for this in a pinch to turn it on and off. But, overall, in terms of having to use this or the app, I always have my phone in my hand, so I would definitely just use the app. So there you guys go. Those are my thoughts on the Wyze floor lamp. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. And again, if you want to pick one up, $29.95 plus shipping, and it'll be available towards the end of May. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.